Now we're going to use some combinatorics to solve this problem. One of the techniques that we're going to use here is that we're going to use double counting techniques to solve this problem. We can solve it using the definition of the combinations, but that one will be longer. Okay? We can also solve it using polynomials. We can also solve it using binomial theorem. Okay? Remember that we can get the coefficients of the binomial theorem by just noting that in a plus b to the power n is the sum of n choose k, a to the power k, b to the power n minus k, where k is going from 0 to n. If we can apply this one wisely here, we can get the result. But we are not going to do that. So here we're going to assume that we have some set that has a cardinality p, let's call it p plus q. Okay? And also we're going to assume that n is less than p and n is less than q. Okay? And k is between 0 and n. And therefore n is less than p plus q. Okay? To make this one work. And we suppose that we can read the problem. Okay? So we're going to choose n people from the p plus q. Okay? We can do that in p plus q choose n. Okay? We can also do it in a different manner. So we are using counting techniques here. We can assume here that we can divide this set A into two sets, B and C. Okay? B has cardinality P and C has cardinality Q. Okay? So to choose the n people, we can do it this manner. We can choose n from here, n people from here, and 0 from here. We can choose 1 from this set and n minus 1 from this set. We can choose 2 from here and n minus 2 from here. We can choose 7 from here and n minus 7. Okay? And if we do that, this is all the ways that we're going to do that. Okay? So in this case, we add them to get all the combinations. Okay? So one way of doing this is we're going to choose a k people from the p people, and after that we're going to choose n minus k that we need from the q people. Okay? Q people mean the number of people that's equal to q. So this is one way. And since we are looking for n ones, so in this case, if we add all these ways, we're gonna get this sum here. So k is going from 0 to n. Okay? It's gonna be p plus q choose n. Okay? So we have different manners to do the problem. We can also solve this problem by just using the definition of n choose k, which is n factorial over n minus k factorial, k factorial. But this one will require a bit of work. Okay? So the key idea is to use double counting or the binomial theorem or the polynomials, and you can see what you can get. Okay? Anyways, if you see any errors or mistakes, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again.